Good morning, everyone. It is like 7 o'clock in the morning, but I wanted to go ahead and stay accountable to you guys. And I told you yesterday that I would show you what I was able to finish with a little bit of time. Wow, my glasses are making it look like I'm even more tired than I actually am. Want to stay accountable with you guys and show you what I was able to do with about 3 hours of work. And I'm still happy with what we accomplished, and I'll show you the before and after right now and show you what it looked like and everything. And honestly, like, it's kind of hard. Like, laundry and dishes are hard to like show progress because it was like we kept washing stuff through the day. So like there was more laundry that got put on the couch, but then there was less in the laundry room, and then they wore clothes, and then we changed like three times yesterday. So like there was that, and then like dishes got rotated out because we were cooking. But I wanted to stay accountable, and I wanted to go ahead and show you guys what it looked like, because I mean, progress is not going to always look like big reveal to do whatever. So it's a lot easier to just be like, hey, I completely deep cleaned my whole kitchen, and it's a lot harder to be like, hey, look at my small achievement that I made. But I want to show that because like some people need those baby steps, and like for me right now where we are, just like this whole week has been what we can get done, and not like there hasn't been major improvements, but it's still like the little everyday things. So I'm really hoping this was an encouragement to you guys and help us stay accountable. If you want to share pictures of your little baby step progress today or any big accomplishments, and it may be like something that looks like a baby step to somebody else, but it may be a big accomplishment for you, tag me in a post on Instagram, This Homeschooling Adventure. Just let me know, or on Facebook. Just let me know what your big accomplishment was, and let's just stay accountable together. And yeah, so I'm pretty happy with the progress so far, and I'm just gonna keep going. I mean, I actually have one more hour today than I did yesterday to do a little bit more before we leave the house, and then we're gonna head out for the day as well. So, but that's it, you guys. I just wanted to stay accountable with you, and I wanted to encourage you and show you that it's not always gonna, I mean, like, look guys, my hair is still up from yesterday. I still need a shower this morning before we head out. So, but I wanted you to see progress. So here's progress. It doesn't always look like a big huge reveal, and that's okay. And I'm here to cheer you on and say go for it. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.